What's good, Ghost Gang? This your boy, Ghost Spider, 2T's. You know I'm back with another informative video. And it's getting kind of crazy out there. I've been doing videos lately, and I'm not sure if it's the companies or the review on whatever it is that I'm doing. But some of my videos have been getting flagged, and I haven't been able to figure out why they're getting flagged. But today we're going to try this again. We're doing a review on this Vermi smartwatch. It says it's a Vermi Tempo VT3 Lit smartwatch. Be fit, be stylish. Let's do a review on it. What I can just see from the size, I'll just kind of show you what's up there. It says 18 sport modes and pre-assembled silicone sport bands. So I guess it's stuff that come pre-done. It says timely include call and message notifications. Okay, so I guess you can talk on the phone on it. It says up to 7-day ultra long battery life. Not sure if I believe that one or not. If you have it on your wrist every day, I'm pretty sure it's gonna. And it says it tracks resistant for swimming tracking. So it's waterproof. Unlike I think some of the versions of the Apple Watch aren't that. It says accurate heart rate monitor, comprehensive swim tracking, meshes content display, phone call notification, personalization watch faces, 18 sport mode available, and easy to access your music. Wow. Okay. So let's unbox this thing. So pretty much it's pretty much that, and then comes in a white case, not quite like the Apple Watch case. So there you have it. There's this, and then the inside looks like that. It says Vermi on it. And okay, maybe I took off too much. It comes with the charge cord, and the charge cord, okay, pretty fancy. Has the little clicks right here, the little magnetic clicks that click to the back of it. So that's pretty cool. That's somewhat like Apple, except for Apple, I think it has a round version of it. This seems a little bit cooler looking. And then let's see what else comes in the box. It has this not as good as expected, or what? I guess this is feel great with your product. I don't know what they're trying to say there, but that comes with that. It comes with this Vermi support, which is a manual. Pretty much shows you how to set up the watch, pretty much how to click it to the back of it and plug it into a USB. Now what I didn't notice it came with the USB, but it didn't come with the box that I've noticed. So, and then here's the watch. I think this is an extra band. Let's see. Yep. So it comes with an extra band, and I'm almost sure that's if you have a bigger arm. Obviously you can see one's longer, so it came with another extra band if you need it. And let's look at the watch itself. My daughter wanted me to review this because I got this for Christmas, so I'm pretty sure that you take this and it clicks to the back of it like so. Whoa. Okay, what just happened? Oh, it goes off onto the side. Can you see that? Can y'all see it from that angle? It's hard to see, but it clicks up there. And then that information in there, them sensors in there, gets your heart rate and all of that. But it is waterproof, so that is nice. And here is a look at what the face look like. And you could be fooled. I know you can see me in it recording, but you could be fooled that this is an Apple Watch, because I think most people are not going to be able to tell the difference between this and an Apple Watch. But that this has a little red button on the side, whereas Apple has a little round button for some series. So I've never cut this on, so let me try it, see if it has any. Okay, so it's asking me questions about Do I want English? So I'll just push English. Please connect to an app to synchronize time and get more functions. So there's a Vermi app that you get, and this is what it looked like, guys, once you have it on. And I know it's gonna give me a little bit of a glare. And I think with the way that this is set up, it's kind of weird because it's touchscreen, but it's touchscreen and it shows the battery life here. And you can go up, and that's another screen, that's another screen, that's another screen. So, I mean, this thing does quite a bit of stuff. It has a date and time and everything wrong. Now, it's touchscreen, but not, I think you can check, you can go in settings and change. It says the calorie screen, the swimming screen, how many steps, it got how many steps, those are the main things, and then it reads your heart. Oh, so those are the main things that it does. Now, what you mash to make it do the other stuff, my daughter will have to read up on that, but I really do like this watch, and this is another version. And you can see it has an awesome design in it too. See, it has kind of like some triangles in it. See that? The band has like some triangles in it. Now, what I don't want to do is give a rating or anything of this watch because I haven't had a chance to play with it. And I'm pretty sure there's settings that my daughter is going to figure out and she's going to be in love with it. But I mean, as far as the unboxing and kind of pretty much what it does, it connects right away. So it is pretty sweet. It came with a half a charge. So yeah, I guess this is one of the few watches that look a lot like an Apple Watch, but it's not an Apple Watch. But Vermi has got their own brand, and I mean, there you have it. I don't know if this is their best top of the line brand, but listen, it costs money, man, and I'm pretty sure there's always going to be a better version that come around. But you guys, make sure you guys show me some love and let me know if you guys want to see more videos like this of me doing unboxings like this one. You know, just unboxing, kind of seeing what all it does. My one video did really good that I did that was on the new Celero 5G. I bought my daughter actually one of those for Christmas and she's loving it. She's using my wife's for a while, so I'm pretty sure she's pretty good at knowing how to work her own Celero 5G. That is an awesome phone. If you guys are looking to get a phone like that, yeah, go grab you one of those. Those things they're awesome. My wife hasn't given me any complaints so far, and she had hers for probably about, what, a month? I think about a month my wife has had hers. A month, a little bit less than a month. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope this video was very helpful to you guys and your, first impression to see, I think my first impression of it is I like it. I don't have any, I do like how Apple, you can just touch the screen and it'll come on. This one, it seems like the buttons is in the middle and you kind of push a button, then you can do your functionality once you have your button pressed. I don't think this one goes too deep into okay, I lied. Okay, right when I get to 9 minutes, I mean, you can, once you hit the button on the side, you can tab left. Oh wow. So there's more stuff. It got the heart, it got message, and then it goes down through tab. So man, this thing's pretty neat. It's actually pretty good. So look, if you tab over, which I don't know what I'm doing, if you tab over on this main screen, it's another area that has more stuff down there, settings. And that's probably where you're gonna be able to touch the screen and functionality. It has all these buttons: tennis, ice skating, wow, dancing, soccer, climbing, running, fast walk. Okay, pretty lit. Okay, so hey, that's it for this video, man. Without going in depth into it, it was the unboxing of this new watch. I hope my daughter enjoys it. I hope you guys enjoyed the review. Let's go Satsu Tees, and I'm out.